Takže ľudia, zdravím vás opäť Ross a som opäť pri hre Assassin's Creed 2 a som tu s tou babou. No poj. No ideš? No poj. No teraz ich tu všetkých pozabíjam. No poj, no ideš, aj ty ideš. Bam, bum, bam. Ešte som to nezabudol hrať. No poj, čo chceš? No tak poj. Bum, skapeš, rozumieš tomu. A dúfam, že teraz už to bude hlasnejšie, som si stíšil kvalitu zvuky v tej hre. Že už nebude tak moc počuť, ako v minulom dieli. Ešte raz sa za to ospravedlňujem. A to jedno môžeme ísť. Je čas. Robíš si srandu, tam nevlezem.
It's for your own protection.
Ježiši Kriste.
We're almost there.
Už tam budeme. Aj, bože. Ty vaj, taký ty unosca vlaky. Spím. Ty vaj, natrasá sa. No tak poďme, ty vaj, nedá sa to urýchliť. My god. Ja, no dobre, no tak počujeme.
Thanks for that. Great.
Ježiš, zase spívam. Ne.
This way.
So, tell me what's going on now?
There was a reason for the escape, Desmond.
Povedal by som, že to je to. Jo, funguje to ešte tak.
Figures.
We need your help.
For what? Another treasure hunt through time?
Abstergo's gonna replace
Abstergo bla 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 bla. Hašašíni. Hašašíni. Lol.
What is it?
Desmond, over here.
Sme tady, dobre.
We're losing this war, Desmond. The Templars are too powerful. And every day, more of us die.
I still don't see how I fit into things.
Come on, Desmond, let's go.
Jak som to robil?
We're going to train you.
Stane sa jedním z nás. Ja sa stanem asasínom. Jupi. Čo, tu sa skovám za dvere. Čum ty na to? Nenájde ma. A pozrite. Nenájde ma. No. Ja musím ísť zaspäť. Lebo ona sa pojí.
No, you've seen me in action. I'm no good at this. And even if I was, it would take months. Years even.
No.
Trololololol.
Not with the bleeding effect.
Lol, za
But
ním
I'm just one guy.
Áno, ja som môj obyčajný chlap.
That's all you need.
Niekdy poďte stačí.
My ancestor. What was his name? Ezio?
If you can follow in his footsteps, you'll learn everything he
budeš
did,
kráčať
just
bla
like
bla
he did.
bla 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 bla. No dobre.
You broke me out of Abstergo and brought me here just to make me an assassin.
Donútra. No konečne.
Look, there's more to it than that, but it'll have to wait. Trust me, okay?
All right, I'm in. Tell me what you need.
Really? You're sure?
I thought you'd be happy about that.
Sorry, I'm just a little surprised. I spent the whole ride over here figuring out how I was going to convince you to do this.
Save it. After what those Templar bastards put me through, I'm ready, willing, and able.
Jo, bývá žluté prvýkrát v láske. Ty kade? Ježiši. No. Je čau. Jak sa máš?
Lucy, you made it.
Lucy, dokázala si to.
God, it's been so long.
Je to hezky
7
dávno.
years, can you believe it?
Indeed. Welcome back. So this must be the infamous Subject 17. Desmond Miles, was it?
Who are you?
I'm sorry, where are my manners? I'm Sean Hastings. This is Rebecca Crane.
Nice to meet you, Desmond.
Right, well, it's been lovely chatting, but if you don't mind, Desmond, it's best we get straight to work. Time is precious. Doubly so these days.
We've got everything set up and ready, Lucy. Just say the word and we'll get going.
Here, I brought you something. A parting gift from Abstergo.
Whoa! The memory core! This is amazing. With their data, things are gonna go a lot faster. I'll get to work on merging the code.
To bude ešte sranda, idem sa, no tak ja už chcem hrať jak asasín, no tak pustujte ma do toho. to je zlý. No tak, jako takto? Ne.
Hey, Desmond. What's up?
Just wondering what your role is in all this.
I take care of Baby. It's my job to keep her up and running.
Baby? You mean the Animus?
Actually, I prefer Animus 2.0, since Baby's twice as awesome as anything you'll find at Abstergo. The Templars might have deeper pockets than us, but they've got no ambition. No passion, no competitive edge.
Jak se to
That's
preskakuje?
why, even with all their resources, anything they can do, I can do better. Faster, too.
Do kopci, no.
Anyway,
No tak
take a
poď.
seat when you're ready, and we can get started. I just need to make a few more adjustments.
Poj, já už tam chci mít. Tak dávaj. No už můžem? No ne, nemůžem, ještě se musím porozprávat s tímto píp negrom. Píp? No čau,
What's all this stuff for?
no.
This stuff, Desmond.
No,
Oh, this
no.
stuff. There's nothing special with this stuff. This is the stuff that keeps our entire operation from falling apart, really. It requires a great deal of concentration to keep it all moving, so you'll forgive me if I don't have time to play meet and greet.
Sean's in charge of maintaining our knowledge archives. It's like a digital library. He'll be riding shotgun with me while you're in the Animus. So if you come across anything of note, people, places, events, etc., he'll create database entries you can consult for additional information.
Yeah, it's not just databases, though. I also provide tactical support for the other assassins. Ones are out there, actually doing stuff, risking their lives, little things like that.
No, ještě jde ta trubka. No už by se mohl jít? No už můžem?
Sorry, can't talk now.
Teď nemůžu. Ježiš, čo si myslíš o sebe? Ty vole, já jsem jít do animu, či čo to jde za sračku. Ty vole, ne tu pojď běhat, ty vole, po té její budově, ty kakos. Ale ne. Oh my god! Děláš si legraci. A on je po česky, už mi hrabe. Tak kde je ta Lucy? Lucy! Haló! Haló! Aha, tak asi tu nebude, no. No čo už. Trololo. Zase začínám zpívat, ne? Tyba, já to vždycky začnem. Ne. Čo to je? Je, pekné dvere. Musím se dostat dovnitř. Asi niečo. Bože, no tak. A tu je, ježiš, ja som slepý.
Hey, listen. I just wanted to say thank you. And that I'm sorry.
Sorry?
Yeah, you know, before. Everything at Abstergo. It was just... I wasn't ready.
It's okay.
No. Going through all that. Knowing that the Templars still exist. What they're planning.
What's done is done, Desmond. You're here now, and that's what matters.
Si tady bla bla bla. Dúfam, že ma bude dobre počuť, lebo ten mikrák mám skrivený, jak nevím. Ne!
Seeing things. Symbols in my bedroom. The code on the keypad. Just like Altair.
It's from the bleeding effect. You're taking on more than your ancestors' memories. You're taking on their skills, too. In this case, eagle vision.
Skills?
You're more receptive now. So if all goes well, everything Ezio learns in the Animus, you'll learn too.
You really think this will work? That I'll become an assassin?
Assassinem, ty assassin.
You'll just be better at it.
Yeah, hopefully much better at it. I mean, seriously, I saw the tapes from Abstergo. You didn't even try and escape.
What a dick.
Debil. Čo, debil jeden? Lol.
I really need to get this ready.
No čo ja teraz? No konečne! Aleluja.
So how does this work?
Ja to snad.
Of course.
Teraz ma ísť elektrizovať, nie?
Ah! Oh, what are you, a tiny child?
Sean!
Well...
A my zde to zase som niečo hulil. Yeah! Ale nerobí si srandu. Jaj, bože. 2 FPS, no. A chce dokončiť. Ježiš, ty blbé bonusy, kebyže to ide nezobrazovať. Bo ja si mám gang, čo? Mafia?
Insieme per la vittoria! Silenzio, my friend! Silenzio!
Forza, forza!
Grazie. Do you know what brings us here tonight? Honor. Viere de Pazzi slanders my family's name and forces his own misery upon us. If we...
Enough of your nonsense, Grullo!
We're just talking about you. I'm surprised to see you here. I thought the Pazzi hired others to do their dirty work.
It's your family that cries for cards when there's trouble. Afraid to handle things yourself.
Your sister seemed quite satisfied with the handling I gave her earlier.
Uccidetelo!
No tak príjmame, máme na to ešte 4 minúty. Idem na to! No poj, zabijem tam. Bum, skapuješ. Tak bum. Daj mu. No tak poj. Aj moji sú pobytí, Jo!
Behind you. Federico! What are you doing here?
I wanted to see if baby brother had finally learned how to fight.
And?
You have style. But endurance is what counts. Let's see how many of them you can ruin before they get the best of you.
Ja som mŕtvý. Fúha.
Hold on.
What? You almost won this.
Your lip.
Just a scratch.
Let the doctor decide.
Ja už som to
It's
teraz...
not necessary. Besides, I've no money for this doctor of yours.
Wasted it on women and wine, huh?
How do we call it wasted? Give me some florins then. Or have you done the same?
Search them. There's bound to be something in the pockets.
Ja by som to teraz ukončil. Ďakujem vám za pozornosť a čaute.